Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. This tip here is just about checking all your products before you place them in the basket. I usually gather all my products together and I'll sit down at my desk to check them, give them a once over, and check expiration dates. Some of the items were new, so of course you want to make sure you're checking expiration dates. If you float candy over from other holidays, make sure you're checking those as well. One of the things I do is I create bags for my floated candy, and I put them in the bags with the dates on them, so that when I start collecting my items for a basket, the first place I look is those bags to see if there's anything appropriate for this particular occasion in the bag that I can use for the candy. If not, then I go to my new stash and pull from there. I also remove tags and items that don't need to be on display when you're making your baskets. If I use lip gloss, such in this case, I open it to make sure it has not been used. And then I will tape that cap back down. The cap was not taped to begin with, but I'll tape it down. I'm checking all of my boxes to make sure there are no hidden prices on them, because some of your items do have hidden prices on them. I'm also checking the integrity of these toys to make sure they are together and intact. You don't want to give a child something they can't play with. Some of your items will have stickers on them that were placed by the store, and I just simply peel those off. Now, if your item is a little pesky as far as peeling off a sticker, you can heat it up and just pull it off. This didn't want to come off, but finally it did. You'll also have items that have hidden price tags on them. So you have to just really look low, look high, and not just at the stickers that were placed on there by the store. For our little paddle balls, I peel that sticker off. Then I check the paddle ball to make sure the string is attached to the board and the ball is attached to the string. But sometimes they use staples to do that with. And this will determine whether I need to remove it from the package or not. So I'm going to leave this in the package because it is intact. Other items such as these little foil packs of activity that I got at Dollar General, you have to look really, really good. And if you look at the back of it, there's a small $1 bill on there. It does not peel off because it is actually printed into the foil. So for these, I'll take stickers and put over them to cover that up. And another item that I know a lot of people got were these pencils. And on the back of the pencils, there's $1 printed right on the label there. So I'm going to put a sticker over that as well. So I put a sticker on there and it didn't act right, so I had to take that sticker off and put a new sticker on there. And that happens sometimes. Just simply peel it off, put a new sticker on there. And like I said, for those stickers that you want to make sure they come off intact and removing all of the adhesive, sometimes the packaging is such that these stickers want to stay on there. But if you take your heat gun and simply heat it up, you can remove that sticker without any problem. The last place I look for stickers is, of course, the bottom of my bucket. Sometimes the bottom of those buckets that we buy at Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Walmart, all have stickers on the bottoms. So I removed those as well. Now these bubbles came in a 5-pack, but the sticks are not attached to them. So I make sure I attach those sticks before I start doing my baskets to make sure the stick is with the bubbles so that the child has it to play with. So once I've checked everything and I'm satisfied with how they look, I start looking at the rest of the toys, and I unpackage toys from Temu because their packaging always has these big white stickers on them. And depending upon what the item is, I may put it back in a plastic bag. But if it's sturdy enough and durable enough, I won't. I will leave it out of the package. And then, of course, we can't forget those pesky coloring books. I usually just put a sticker over those because I can't get mine off. Even though I've seen people peel them off, mine, I'm not able to peel them off. This is how I check everything to make sure my baskets have quality items in them. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share.